Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my Cocoa Daisy in. I'm anxious to open it. Sorry, I had to skip the app. So let's see what we got this month. I don't think I don't think I saw any of the sneaks. Yeah, I don't think I did. It's been crazy around here. So let's see. Whoop. We have Autumn Whimsy is what it's called. I just filmed a Spellbinders unboxing and my camera's acting up. So just hopefully it doesn't. And I'm not feeling very well. So the glitter. Ooh, this is like rose gold glitter. That's a new one. That's pretty cool. Really nice. And they always have the refer a friend. So if you email Mary Kay and let them know that that I referred you, that you watched my video and you wanted to join the subscription, then we both get $10 off our next purchase in the store of $20 or more. So it's actually a really cool deal, and it's appreciative. It's appreciated. Yeah, there we go. It's appreciated because it's cool. I mean, if we're going to sign up anyways, might as well get a little perk out of it, right? So I think that's really generous and cool. So we have washi tape. Let's see. Oh, it's dots. Oh, I like that. We have an ink pad, which is orange. I think I gotta go slowly. Orange. And this is the, I think this is the, this is the Traveler's Notebook Kit. I can never remember. But I pay $73 for the Traveler's Notebook Kit, and we get a sketch. Oh, I like that sketch. And we get Traveler's Notebook, planner add-on, and the planner add-on, Traveler's Notebook, and the standard Dory, but I don't get the Dory kit. So I get, yeah, I don't get the regular Traveler's Notebook anymore. It's just the accessories, I think is what it is. Oh, I like that. I love the tag. Oh, that's just beautiful. Oh, the artwork is pretty. Wait, this, yeah. And then, remember, these are double-sided, so they belong to another partner. So it's this one. It's this one, but that's the back. Pretty. And then you have, here we go. I have this one. Oh, I love that. That's just beautiful. And then it's the grid paper. That is really pretty. Yeah, plaid. I like the colors. Aren't they very bright, vibrant? I love that. So awesome. My nose is running. Navy. Or it's got navy little pieces in there. And then this one. Very nice. Oh, it's got the mushrooms. See, you could fussy cut those out if you wanted to. So they'd be fun. And then the stickers. I'm going to take them out because you can't really see them that well. Oh, they're puffy stickers. I love puffy stickers. Puffy stickers are amazing. Whoever invented them. Oh, you know what? Puffy stickers have been around since I was a kid. Duh. I used to collect them as a kid. Let's see. I should bring out my old sticker album because I still have that. Oh, we get a whole alphabet set. That's awesome. We have like the negative and the positive. That's awesome. And then we have these things, which I don't know what these are. They're circles, of course, but oh, enjoy this autumn day. They're just circles. How neat. Apple cider, Christmas, bonfires, hoodies, golden leaves. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers the most. This is my favorite place to be in fall. Oh, I'm glad they added a fall, because that's what we call it here in California, is fall. We don't say autumn here. Okay, this is the die cuts, which is just pretty. I love the colors. Do you guys hear Buzz? And then this is the Traveler's Notebook. So that's the start. Hello, Autumn. I love the colors. They really are nice. I'm gonna try and hurry through this, guys. My back is killing me. Sucks being sick, it really does. Okay, so that's the Traveler's Notebook set. And then let's do the planner add-on. Oh, look at how pretty this is. It's super, super pretty. So, this is the bag. And then this is the tassel. Love that, it's beautiful. And then we have more washi, which I love the washi. Oh, it's so pretty. I like that. Oh, how pretty. This is like, it does have that 80s vibe to it, doesn't it? Because that's just totally like Madonna. That's a Madonna look right here. Oops. Hold on. Like I said, I'm having problems with my camera. I think because it's just so dim today. It's overcast. That's totally Madonna. I like that. That's cool. And then you have more die cuts. I'm going too fast for it, I guess. But it doesn't. Oh, my back is hurting. I gotta choke, guys. Hold on. Plug your ears. Man. That sucks. Okay. Oh, you get a lot of leaves. How pretty. Wow. That's pretty. I like those. And then you get the standard 3x4 card and 4x6 cards. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Aww. And then you get the standard stickers. Very pretty. And then Autumn shows how beautiful it is to let things go. Even miracles take a little time. No, pretty. Okay, so that's the planner add-on kit. And this is the this is the standard dory, which I don't get the dory, so okay, move it out of the way, that way I don't get confused. Oh, see, look how cute that is. It's the mushrooms. It's mushroom washi. I just opened my Spellbinders monthly kit, and the large die of the month is mushrooms. I like how everyone just knows what to do. Oh, look at, now we get sequins. So we got glitter on the last one and sequins on this one, so you can make your own shaker pockets. And then look at the pen. Pen is so pretty. The pens are great. That's Bus. I don't remember what they call this pattern. I can't remember. It's at the top of my head, and there's always a daisy. And then she gives you 2 refills. Yeah, she gives you 2 refills of pens. And then, oh, look at this foam. It says fall, which is great. And then the notepad. Look how pretty the colors are, you guys. That's so pretty. So mushroom notepad, little one, and then the big notepad. And then these are the standard stickers that you get. And then this is vellum. Oh, look at this vellum. That's very pretty with the gold foil. And then the inserts. So, which you can use like this or cut them. Very nice. And then you have the die cuts. cute. What is this? This looks cute. It's a big old mushroom. Is it a snap? Oh, it is. It's a snap. It's a magnetic snap. Look at that. But it's nice because if you look at it, come on camera. If you look at it, it's very, they covered the metal snap also. I love that. That's just so awesome. Okay, Cocoa Daisy. Oh, I can talk. Awesome job. I love everything I got. Good job. And I'll see you guys all next month. Hopefully not sick. All right. Take care. Bye.